Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Chrome extension. So first thing first, if you don't have Google Chrome, you're going to want to open your web browser, type in Google Chrome, click the first link that pops up, and click on download Chrome. Once downloaded, you're going to want to open Chrome up. You're going to want to go to the top right where you see three little dots, then you want to scroll down to where it says Settings. Once you're in Settings, you want to go down to where it says Open Chrome Web Store. Click on it. And it's going to take you to the Web Store for the browser. And right now it's going to show you like different themes. So you want your web browser to be like black or out of space, you have the choice. But today I'm going to show you the extensions. So if you scroll down, you can see those many different like types of extensions you can use with Google Chrome. One that I like to use is called Honey. So what this extension basically is, it's pretty much, it looks for coupons for you without you looking for the coupons. So make sure you get the best deal you can. Let me show you an example. So let's say we go to Nike. And right away, Honey pop up with three different coupons you can use to help you save on your purchase. There's many other extensions as well. Another one that I like is called Stands, and basically what it is, it's an ad blocker. So if you go to our website, it keeps any ads from blocking up, and it also protects you from getting any viruses that may come from these ads. So to download an extension, just scroll down until you see one you like. So let's see I want to download this one. I would click Add Chrome. Right here it's going to give you like a brief statement of what it is or what it does. I'm going to click Add Extension. And then you have it on your browser. And that'll take to add an extension to your Google Chrome browser.